Fine. Let's discuss this question. This was the homework question, right? The question reads as a boat takes a total of 6 hours to row 8 kilometer downstream and to return back to the starting point. If the speed of the boat is 3 kilometer per hour, the question is for how much time was the boat moving downstream and upstream. Okay, so always keep in the mind this is the effective speed, right? So whenever the boat is moving along the flow of water, so what happened the speed of the boat? What happened? It will increase, isn't it? And that is called downstream. The speed of the boat will be added to the speed of the stream. Let's say speed of the boat is S1 and S2 speed of the stream. Stream means moving water, right? So that is called a downstream speed. This is the first case. It quite possible the speed the motor boat, a boat moving against the flow of water is possible, no? Right? So in that case, what happened? The effective speed of the boat will get decreased, right? That is called upstream. And how to get the upstream? S1 difference mod, correct? The speed only, but it's called the upstream. It's called a downstream. Now, what is given? Total time taken, how much given? T1 plus T2, total is given 6 hours. And what is the time equals we know? Remember I told you? Time equals, right, distance by speed. Now in this case, it's called effective speed. This is called effective speed, is called effective speed, right? So T1 plus T2 6, and how much distance we have both side? 8 kilometer. So can I say 8 divided by speed of the boat, speed of the downstream? No, the speed of the boat plus speed of the water current. So correct. So I can say 3 plus x. So what is x here? Speed of water current. Plus, again going back, if it's moving the downstream, which means coming back is upstream. So what the same distance, that's all. 3 minus x equals 6. Can we solve it? Cross multiply, take this one, I'll get 3 a plus b a minus b formula. So 3s square minus x square equals 24 minus 8x, cross multiply, that's all. 24 plus 8x equals 6. Correct, no? So 8x will get cancelled. So I'll get 48. Cross multiply again. So 48 equals 54 minus 6x square. Correct? So what is x equals? 6. So x equals 1. Correct, no? The question is the time taken, means T1 and then T2. And very simple. How to get the T1? I'll plug in. That's all. Correct. 8 by 4. What about here? 8 by 2. So I'll get here 2 hours. And what about here? 4 hours. So downstream 2 hours, upstream 4 hours. Okay. Yeah. Did you solve it? K is not equal to super. Very good. This one. The first solution. Yeah. No, this one. What is that? This, so K is not equal to 3, is it? How did you solve it? What is A1? K. What is a2? Not equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Correct. So k must be not equal to 3. Super, super. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. 2026. Oh my goodness. Try this. A in 5. Wonderful. Equal to 6. Disconnected. Right. Let's go for this one. This is an easier question. Very easy. Try this one. So can we go from the option? We can solve it also. 10 years ago, the father was 12 times as old as his son, which means if father present is f, so 10 years old, what should be? F minus 10. And let's say present is s here. What should be son is? S minus 10. Is given father age was 12 times. Correct, no? And 10 years hence, which means f plus 10, and which means here s plus 10, his age will be twice, no? Will be twice. Right? Very simple. So if you look at the option one, you can get the answer. Before 10 years, so what should be before 10 years? 24. What about before 10 years here? 2. So is it 12 times? Is it 12 times? Yes, it's 12 times. So first condition satisfied. Look at the next one. After 10 years, what should be? 44 and this is 22. Correct? And this is 2 times. Second condition also satisfied. So I can go from the options solving this question. Okay. Let's go ahead. Not for this. For quadratic equations, of course, just we saw that. How do you find the roots of the equation? This way, you know that. You should know how to factorize the equations to get the value. Correct. This is the one basic approach to find out the roots of the equations. Roots means what? Solution of the equation, and also to find out the nature of the equation. This is the one property, right? That's called discriminant. Discriminant equals b square minus 4ac. So in this equation, what is b here? Tell me, what is b here? There is a coefficient of x minus 1. What is a here in the equation? Coefficient of x cube, that is 4. This is anyway cubic is this is called correct. This is the quadratic. Correct. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is general form, no? So what is this? What is discriminant? So b square minus 4 is a. B square minus 4 into a into c. So a is the coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So if the discriminant is positive, which means the solution of the equation is real and distinct. If discriminant is 0, which means the solutions are real and equal. If discriminant is negative, which means solutions are imaginary. Understood? Roots means, what do you mean by the roots? Roots of the equation means solution, means the value of x. And I know the value of x is only 2 should be, not 1. 2 values should be there because it's a quadratic. Okay. So now looking at this, let's also find out this simple question. We have to compare these two, which is greater. Tell me which is greater or which is lesser, or both are equal, or not possible to find out the relations. Find out. Yeah. Let's discuss this one. X Yeah, it's not audible. Why it's happening? 1 minute. Maybe the network issues or what, I don't know. What is the issue? There is some issue version A. Maybe I don't know what is the issue. Maybe network issue is there. Just a minute. It's not visible, no? Is my screen visible? No, right? Now visible, right? Okay. Now x square plus 5x minus 24 equals 0. How do you factorize it? X square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. So what is the value of x I'll get? I'll take x common. X plus 8, correct, no? Minus 3 common, get x plus 8. Again I can take common, x plus 8 into x plus x minus 3. So what is the value of x I'll get here? X equals minus 8 and x equals 3. Now let's do it the second one. Y square minus 9y plus 20 equals 3. Let's factorize it. Y square minus 5y minus 4y plus 20. So y take common, so y minus 5, correct, no? I can take minus 4 common, so y minus 5. So I'll get y minus 5 and y minus 4, which means y equals how much you'll get? 5 comma 4. Now how many options we have? A, B, C, D. What is option A called? Remember, A is greater. When do we choose B? B is greater. When do we choose C? Both are equal. When do we choose D? Not possible. Okay. Now let's compare 8 and this one. Can you compare, no? How much, which is greater? So option number A and C gone. Correct, no? Now let's again compare 3 and 4, which is greater. Okay. Now I can also compare 3 and 5, which is greater. Again compare 3 and 4, y is greater. That's your answer. I have to compare all, remember, 4 times. Correct? X1, 2 I can compare with both y1 and y2. Compare x2 again both y1 and y2, and then eliminate the option one by one. Okay. Let's go ahead with this. Oh, this is done, no? Not done? Yeah, do it this one quickly. Quantity A, correct. Right answer. Okay, let's. This is your homework. Number 1. Take it. Taken. Number, not this one. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Yeah, and number 8. Now this one as again simple question. Number 9. All expressions only. Number 10. Number 12. 11. Not this. On this one. Number 12. Not this. Number 13.
Power off.
Okay, functions will start in the next session. Okay, I have my one session today of GMAT right at this time. Tell me. Oh, is it this Wednesday? Okay, if he attends now, this gentleman Vishwanath, so can I record? I'll give it to you. Better, I record. I'll give you the link. The today I recorded, I also give with him the link. Okay, so it's better, no? So you can save time. Yeah, take.